The air cleaner housing was a lightly chromed unit from the factory, and this has got just a little bit of rust on it. So we'll take that off, take a closer look at it. I'll put that in some metal rescue and see if we can get that off, and then polish it. Maybe put a little wax on it to protect it. So we'll pop that off. So I've got it off the car, and yep, it's got a little bit of rust, but we will dunk it and clean it and see what we can get off of it. Now, metal rescue seems to do a pretty good job. And of course, we'll throw some fresh filters on it. There's the front face. So we will get her apart and get her soaking. Well, here's the air cleaner after sitting in the rust remover for a day. And we're getting a lot of the heavy stuff off. It's looking pretty good. So we're going to let it sit another day, get all this off, and then we'll start rolling it on its sides. And we'll go after this stuff, because there's a lot of that. But I don't have enough to submerge the whole thing. But you can see I got a lot of that. This is kind of the worst area right here. And it's coming out pretty good. So we're going to put it back in my high-tech tank right there. And we'll let it sit another day, and we'll see what we got. I'm just scrubbing it with a toothbrush, and it's coming out pretty nice. And there's day 2, looking almost done. We got just a touch left up in here, and we'll keep soaking that. We'll probably soak it on that side and get that while we're there, but big difference. I think I'm going to finish doing the sides. So we've still got that. And we got that. I think I'll soak this one next. And once we're all done, I think I'll hit it with just a clear coat, pop her back on. Well, we've got the air cleaner done. After many days of soaking in the rust remover, we've got some really nice results. That back side, we got all the rust off of that. And the surface rust on the sides is gone. The bottom is clean. Really came out nice. And even the front cover, soaked that for a few days, cleaned it up. And what I've done is prepped it and just shot it with a clear, just so to prevent further rust on the thing. And it'll mount in the car. Well, we'll get it mounted in here and we'll take a look. But especially this back side, that really didn't look great. And now it shines. And again, with the clear, it still get the chrome look. And it's just a much nicer presentation. So let's go ahead and let's put that on the car. Now that looks a lot better. With the fresh filter element in there. Nice and clean. That's the look we were going for. Overall, I think the engine's coming out really nice. Just feeling like doing another little side project today. Just gonna see what I can do to clean this guy up. This is the bonnet. Usually they look really nice, and this one looks pretty good, pretty solid, but I think I'll just clean it up a little simple green, throw it on the buffer, see if we can get that baby to shine. Simple green is your friend. Boy, it does a nice job of just getting that dirt off. That's just simple green, a toothbrush, and just hitting it with a little 1000 grit sandpaper just to even things out. Now we're going to throw her on the buffer, see what that does. A little time on the buffer with some medium and fine polish. There we go, looks pretty decent.